Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about carbocation. So carbocation is a reaction intermediate in organic chemistry, and in the case of carbocation, there is a positive charge on the carbon atom. Right. Now, how are carbocations formed? So, in the last video, we had discussed about bond cleavage and its type. There were two ways in which a bond would break, that is homolytic bond cleavage as well as heterolytic bond cleavage. And in homolytic bond cleavage, we said that electrically neutral intermediates are formed, and in heterolytic bond cleavage, ions are formed. So carbocations are formed by heterolytic bond cleavage. So let us understand about that. So here I am going to take a very simple example, CH3Cl. So a very simple example, CH3Cl. Now the two bonded electrons. Now if I have to break this bond, if I have to break the bond of a CH3Cl, if I have to break the bond of CH3Cl by heterolytic method, both of these electrons will move to Cl because the electron negativity of Cl is greater than that of carbon. So both of these electrons get transferred to Cl, and finally what I will get is CH3 plus Cl minus. Okay, so this is what is known as a carbocation. This is what is known as a carbocation. Now there are many important points that we have to know about carbocation. So the first point is the first and the most important point is that carbocations are formed by heterolytic bond cleavage. They are formed by heterolytic bond cleavage. Heterolytic bond cleavage. Okay. Now the second point is that there is a positive charge. There is a positive charge on carbon. There is a positive charge on carbon. Now the third point is the carbocation is a reaction intermediate, and reaction intermediates quickly get converted into product. Why? Because they are unstable. So carbocation is unstable. The fourth point regarding carbocation is that carbocations are trivalent. Carbocations are trivalent. And the fifth point is on the hybridization of the carbocation. So carbocation is having an sp2 hybridization. So hybridization of carbocation is sp2 hybridization. So if the hybridization is sp2, we know that the geometry is trigonal planar. The geometry is trigonal planar. Trigonal planar. Now let us look at it how a carbocation looks like. Let's draw a carbocation. So the seventh one, let's draw the geometry of a carbocation. So there is a carbon which is making three bonds. So these bonds are like this. Now the most important thing you have to remember is that in a carbocation there is a vacant p orbital. The carbocation there is a vacant p orbital, and here there is a plus charge also. Okay, so that is the eighth point that you have to remember. In carbocation, we have a vacant p orbital, and this plays a very important role. This is the reason why carbocation takes part in resonance, etc. That will be discussed further. But this vacant p orbital plays a very important role, and it should always be. You should always keep it in mind that a carbocation has a vacant p orbital. Now the ninth point is about the magnetic moment. Now the magnetic moment of a carbocation. The magnetic moment of a carbocation is equal to 0, and which formula is used to calculate the magnetic moment? The formula is root of n into n plus 2, where n is the number of unpaired electrons, the number of unpaired electrons, which is 0 in the case of carbocations. Now it is very important to know this, that when the magnetic moment is equal to 0, then that is a diamagnetic molecule. So carbocation is diamagnetic in nature. It is diamagnetic in nature. Now the 11th point is that carbocations are like the electron deficient. electron deficient species. Carbocations are electron deficient species. So like they are in want of electrons, so you can say that they are electrophiles. Carbocations are electrophiles. They are in want of electrons, so we can say that carbocations are electrophiles. Now carbocations have the tendency to accept electron pairs, right? So they are Lewis acid. So they are Lewis acid. Okay, so as per Lewis theory, acids are those substances which can accept an electron pair. At base is those substances which can donate an electron pair. And the last point that we can discuss about carbocation is the number of lone pair electrons and number of unpaired electrons. So number of lone paired electrons and number of unpaired electron, that is equal to 0. Both of these is equal to 0. That is, carbocations do not have a lone pair. It also does not have any unpaired electrons in it. Now if you're talking about the octet, it has an incomplete octet. Carbocations have incomplete octet. So this is all about carbocations. If you like the video, you please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.